Hello, this is DK Clayton with Lumacare. Arthritic pain, chronic intense pain, can adversely affect our lives in every way, limiting and halting daily life and in some cases, disfiguring the body. In the United States alone, 23% of all adults, more than 54 million people, suffer from some form of debilitating arthritis. Arthritis is not just a disease for people of advanced age. All ages can suffer its agonizing and painful effects, possibly due to a sports injury, recreational trauma, a work-related incident, or, as mentioned, the normal process of aging. Cartilage between bones starts to wear away, allowing bones to rub together, causing, in many cases, unbearable pain and stiffness. What sets the Lumacare Duo apart from all the rest? 2 rotating emitter heads with the ability to treat an injury zone with 2 to 8 times more coverage and delivering healing light from different angles with ease and comfort. The Lumacare Duo has been designed to send its healing light deep into tissues and joints affected by arthritis. While medications continue to mask the effects of arthritic suffering, the Lumacare Duo has the ability to improve blood flow, boost oxygenation, reduce inflammation, stiffness, and pain, and enhance cellular recovery. The Lumacare Duo has you in mind. Step back into a life full of motion, activity, and freedom from arthritic pain. Take charge of your life. Don't be a prisoner to expensive medications.